Uploading a video is the first step to sharing it with the world. And uploading's easy. First, select Upload. Next, choose a folder to save it in. And lastly, upload your video. All right, first step. Let's select Upload. From your home screen, click Upload from Computer or click New in the top right corner of your home page. Then choose Upload. Either way will take you to the same place. Next, let's choose a folder to save your video in. If you're a member of multiple Vimeo accounts, choose the right account and then choose a folder. If you don't make a selection, your video will automatically upload to your Private to Me folder. Lastly, let's upload your video. If your video file is saved locally to your computer's hard drive, you can either drag and drop it onto the page or hit Choose Files to browse your computer and select it manually. If it's saved in a cloud storage provider like Dropbox, Google Drive, or Box, connect your account and then choose which video you want to import. No matter how you upload, you'll automatically be taken to the video settings page, where you can adjust the video's privacy and other settings. That's it. Your video's uploaded and ready to share.